Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro, the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout. No trade recommendations, no trade signals, not selling indicators. This is just my trade journal. And we've got price action order flow levels for Wednesday, July 12, 2023. And it is the news event of the week, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, CPI News Catalyst. So I've got a 1-hour chart and a Renko showing this on the photo here. And we're going to talk about price action imbalances, draws on liquidity, and order flow levels on this pre-CPI news release ramp. Let's get to it. 24-hour charts on the far left. We have the NASDAQ, and you can see we're currently at 15,295. The all-time high for the year has been 15,032 and change, so that's got a ways to go if we're going to ramp above it on the CPI day. On the middle chart, not the same picture, same pattern, but the all-time high here is just below 4,500, and currently we're at 4482.5, so we could definitely close the distance on the all-time high gap here and reach a new high for the year. Will depend on the CPI release. And on the right, what's making the rallies happen in the equities is the dollar index being down, and we're down almost to the May lows at 101 and change, and we're currently at 101.4. So as long as dollar stays down, we can keep this rally up on the equity indexes. Let's go to the next charts. 1-hour chart going all the way back to June 30th, all-time high for 2023, and that's at 44.98 and change right here. And so what we've got here is this hourly chart showing this big ramp before the CPI. So we've got this big ramp. I'm noticing this candle right here. There's a big fair value gap on this. We'll look at that. Let's look at the annotations here. So these are the annotations. So I've got marked off in yellow this fair value gap, and the top of that is 44.70 by 44.6275. So that's one area below current price. Above it in purple, light purple, we've got the July 3rd new week open gap. So price is already breached into that. And above that, we've got an inverted fair value gap from the high from last June. So here's this red line on the June 30 RTH. This is where we need to go to get beyond the high of the year. And above that, we're talking the big gaps from 2022 that left unfilled. So right now, I just want to look and see what we do on this CPI. Again, Eastern Standard Time, 8:30 is the news release. So we'll see how price reacts. These are the zones. I've got one more chart. Let's go to the Renko. Okay, this is what you might expect. We had at the end of the prior day a total ramp to the upper blue Keltner here, and that had a 600 delta. And here we are hours later, still upper Keltner. We never have touched this green Hama here, and the red Keltner is way down here at 44.59. The Hama's coming in at 44. Let's just call it and round up 44.73. So that's not been touched for a long time. We have to go all the way back to the open where we had only a touch of this red. So we have not seen lower blue Keltner. And let's go down here. That's way down here at 44.7 and change. So long way to go. But currently, again, we're ramping and we're camping, and it's been hours. So again, all eyes are on the CPI release. So I'll be watching that, and then we'll see how the first hour and a half treats the RTH open, the regular trading hours. So that wraps it. Thanks so much. Shout out to the loyal subscribers. I really appreciate you supporting the channel. And for those of you viewing that haven't yet subscribed, please help the channel and consider subscribing. Thank you so much. Take care. Aloha.